How to fix Play Store error no connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here and here just type Play Store and click on it and then click force stop and now click storage and then clear cache, and after that just force stop, click on it, and now just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, click Google Play Services and click storage and clear cache, and now go back to Google Play Store and go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and then restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.